You are listening to The Human Conditions. Modern humans have access to 8 billion people, unlimited communication, and a device that lets you contact anyone on Earth instantly. And somehow, you still eat dinner watching YouTube videos, so it feels like someone is sitting with you. That's not technology. That's emotional support background noise. A hunter-gatherer from 20,000 years ago would look at modern society and think, so, you built giant cities full of millions of people, and none of you talk to each other? Ancient humans had no internet, no Spotify, no DoorDash, no memes. And somehow, they probably had better friendships than you. Modern society tells us we're more connected than ever, which is technically true. I mean, you can now watch a stranger eat seafood in South Korea at 2 a.m. while avoiding eye contact with your neighbours for 6 consecutive years. For most of human history, humans lived in tribes of around 50 to 150 people. You saw the same faces every day. You hunted together, ate together, slept near each other, survived together. Now, you share walls with strangers whose names you don't even know. You could literally die in some apartment buildings, and your neighbours would only notice because the Wi-Fi got disconnected. Ancient humans feared predators. Modern humans fear phone calls. And loneliness today is sneaky, because you can feel socially full, while actually being emotionally starving. You scroll, you like posts, you send memes, you react with crying emojis. But deep down your brain is like, cool, anyway, we're tribe. Ancient humans didn't separate life from social life. Life was social life. Imagine explaining modern adulthood to a caveman. So basically, I wake up alone, drive alone, work on spreadsheets I hate, come home exhausted, then watch other people live better lives online. The caveman wouldn't even insult you. He'd just stare at you sadly, like a dying zoo animal. Hunter-gatherer tribes spent huge amounts of time talking, joking, storytelling, dancing, and doing absolutely nothing together. Today we call that wasting time. Modern society turned friendship into an appointment. Hey bro, are you free emotionally 3 Thursdays from now between 6:15 and 7:40 p.m? And the craziest part? Ancient humans were rarely alone. Modern humans are alone constantly. Cars, apartments, offices, headphones, screens. We created a civilization perfectly designed to avoid accidental conversation. Honestly impressive. Terrifying, but impressive. Aristotle called humans social animals. Not productivity machines, not content creators, not email responders. Social animals. Meaning, your brain literally expects deep human connection. And when it doesn't get it, things start breaking. This is why modern loneliness often disguises itself as burnout, doom scrolling, anxiety, constant distraction. Because humans aren't built to live like isolated hard drives. We evolved around fires, not notification sounds, and social media accidentally created the illusion of community. You can now know what someone ate for breakfast without knowing how they're actually doing emotionally. That's incredible. And also deeply insane when you think about it for more than 4 seconds. Ancient tribes required sacrifice. You had responsibilities, shared struggles, real loyalty. Meanwhile, modern communities disappear the second somebody has a different opinion about pineapple on pizza. Civilization is fragile. So what's the solution? Throw your phone into a river and become a forest philosopher? Maybe. Depends on your screen time average. But seriously, the ancient world reminds us of something modern society forgot. Humans need belonging more than convenience. Real conversations, real friendships, real communities, real awkward silences. Not just algorithms feeding you dopamine chicken nuggets until your brain turns into mashed potatoes. Because at the end of the day, humans were never meant to experience life entirely alone behind glowing screens. We were built for tribes, stories, shared laughter, campfires, inside jokes, community. And maybe that's why modern life feels so strange. We became connected to everyone, while slowly disconnecting from each other. And somewhere deep inside your brain, you still know that.